Evening, folks. We're live at 6:39, and we're battling for Brian's SNES Classic. I got 20 spots. Then I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. Copy here, paste them there, 20 of them. I'm going to roll the bones, got to get at least a 5, which we did. We definitely did. We got a 12. We're in great shape for a battle. Brent Roberts takes round 1. Gary 2. Brent 3. Gary 4. Eric takes round 5 at number 11. Brent takes 6. Brent takes 7. Eric takes round 8. Brent takes round 9 with number 16. And round 10 with number 12. Brent again in the top spot for our next to last round. Round 11 with number 4, bringing us to the final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Am I wrong? Oh, this is by Jason. Excuse me, not Brian. Oh, all right. I got the name wrong, but that's all right. The point remains. Here's our winner. Brent Roberts in at number 4. Brent Roberts in at number 4. Congratulations, Brent. ZBZSOO. Brent Roberts in at number 4 is the victor. I am done. It's 6:40. There you go. 6:40 again. Here's our winner, Brent, in at number 4. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thanks.